sip and serve with Russell's.
Welcome. Today we're making a classic and indulgent dessert, cream caramel. Let's get started. First, in a clean, dry tray, add 300 grams of sugar over low to medium heat. Stir occasionally and watch as it slowly melts into a golden brown caramel. As soon as the sugar is fully melted, tilt the tray to coat the bottom evenly. Now, let it cool and harden while we prepare our custard. First, break the eggs into a large bowl. To another large bowl, add 400 grams of milk powder. Now, add 100 grams of condensed milk. Next, add sugar. And for that extra touch of flavor, add a small amount of vanilla essence. Gradually pour 2 liters of water into the mixture while stirring continuously. Next, beat 30 eggs gently. Now gradually pour the milk mixture into the beaten eggs. Don't forget to stir. Now gently pour the custard mixture over the hardened caramel. Strain the mixture using a fine sieve. This removes any lumps or unwanted egg bits. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Place the tray inside a larger baking tray filled with hot water. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes or until set. Once cooked, let the cream caramel cool to room temperature before refrigerating for at least 3 to 4 hours. And there you have it. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you next time.